Our Aloha burger, marinated pork on the Louisiana grill using a bull rack system. Doesn't that look good?
Tonight we're doing our Aloha burger. We've got some thin sliced pork loin, tomato, onion, pineapple that we're going to grill, our chef of the future coconut curry rub and seasoning, and our sweet and sour sauce. We're ready to go.
Getting ready to load up our bull racks here. Patty's spraying the pan. Always try to remember to spray your pans a little bit because it makes for easy cleanup in the dishwasher.
And your wife doesn't yell at you.
Since we're going on a Hawaiian theme with our Aloha burgers, we're going to use Chef of the Future coconut curry rub and seasoning. This should be really good. We'll load it up, ready for the grill. We've got the grill set at 350. These are cut pretty thin. I'm thinking it'll probably be about 30-45 minutes or so. But we'll see. We're at 350, like I said, we're using Pacific pellets, gourmet blend pellets, and in the smoke tube I've got maple. Thought that might go real well with the theme tonight. Looking good. Smells good already. Alright, here it is. Our meat temperature right now is right around 140. 145 is USDA safe. If I pull it now, the residual heat temperature rises another 5 to 10 degrees, so that'll be perfect. Look at that smoke tube. Ah, that kiss of smoke is beautiful. Aren't these pretty? I'm pulling them. There it is, our Aloha burger. Tell me that isn't pretty. Our Aloha burger. Let's eat.